welcome back, Nail Queens. The holiday season is here, and I'm gonna unbox the Jingle All the Way collection from Soul Dips. It is releasing this Saturday, the 12th of November at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. There are 35 colors that I have here to show you guys. Soul Dips is a master mixologist and creates beautiful color combinations. So if you guys want to make a list, definitely check out this video and take notes while you guys are watching. So I went ahead and I swatched all of the colors on these coffin swatch sticks, so let's get started on the swatch and review. The first color I have here is called Dasher, and it is a purple shade. Yes, purples are Christmas colors. I learned this recently. My fiance told me he feels purple is a Christmas color. And then you have Dancer, another purple, but this one is a glittery glitter purple. It's really, really pretty, very subtle and easy to work with glitter. Then you have Prancer. Sorry about like the dust that's on top of my swatch sticks. I swear these are solid colors right here. But this one is so gorgeous and so rich. Then you have Vixen, another beautiful solid dip powder. It is stunning, and there's some glitters in this collection to match with it. So here are those first four colors all next to each other so you can see how different they look next to each other. I have a few more solids to show you, such as Comet. This is a very light gray, a very like true gray in my opinion. It's not too blue, also not too like any other color. Then Hurry Down the Chimney is a very dark and vampy solid dip powder. It's like that oxblood red. I love this shade. Santa Baby is a red that leans a little bit on the pink side. I think this would be great to use during Valentine's Day as well if you like colors that are multi-use. So here it shows a little bit more red. Trust me, it's a red, just like pink undertones. Trim the Tree is a dark, gorgeous green. I love this one. You use this with that dark, vampy red. I think they're a great combo together. And yes, this is another solid dip powder. So here are these four colors paired next to each other. And then here are all of the solids in this collection right here so you can see them next to each other. Now moving on into glitter territory. There's so many glitters in this collection. Run Run Rudolph is the first one I have here with a golden color base, and you can see these little trees on it in red and green. And if you flip the swatch over, you're going to see a little bit more red. That's how I swatched it. Trees and hexagon shaped glitters. Silent Night is a matte black glitter. I did my swatch in glossy and left it matte. I highly recommend if you buy this color to wear it matte. It looks so much more beautiful than with a glossy top coat. I think Caroling Through the Night will pair very well with Silent Night, that last color I just showed you, but this one is so beautiful. It has hints of like that red and green, so maybe even those dark red and green solids I showed you earlier would pair really well with this color here. It's really pretty. Cozy Little Christmas is a much brighter version, however, non-traditional Christmas colors in my opinion, because of the iridescent white blue glitter base that's underneath this red and green. This is a very beautiful color. And here are these four glitters paired next to each other. I told you Caroling Through the Night and Silent Night go well together. A Winter Dream is a beautiful baby soft blue shimmery dip powder. So perfect. Add some snowflakes to this and it's the perfect winter mani ever. I am obsessed with Our Finest Gifts because of the way the light catches the glitter in here. It's very subtle but absolutely gorgeous. If you're not into Christmas colors, I recommend this one. Merry Christmas is so beautiful. Don't let those chunky pieces intimidate you. They are easy to place after you dip in the base color, which is that iridescent soft clear base. It's so gorgeous. Then you have What Christmas Means to Me. This is a gorgeous and so easy to work with green. I highly recommend you add this to your list because greens are a staple color. Sweet Gingerbread is a beautiful pink color. I love this one. It's going to pair well with so many pink manis this season, and Valentine's Day is coming up, don't forget. Silver White Winters. This one is a holographic silver, another great staple color that can go for all seasons if you really think about it. These are one of those colors like, yeah, it's Christmassy, but it goes year round. Santa's Sleigh is a vibrant red. I love this one and I can't wait to test it out matte. Yeah, it's really pretty here, but this also would make a great Valentine's Day or 4th of July shade. Snow globe reminds me of like the flurry inside of a snow globe, and you might not be able to see it that well on my swatch stick here, but I do have these snowflakes laid on the top of the swatch stick. So I swear they're there. There's like 4 beautiful snowflakes, a blue, and then an iridescent one. I think this is a gorgeous shade. Fa la 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 la. Okay, so this is so rich. I also think this would make a great Halloween shade or Valentine's Day shade. And then this Country Christmas, oh my goodness, is a great fall color as well. There's just something about the red mixed with the iridescent and how it picks up yellow as well that I think makes it a really good fall color too. Hang Up Your Stockings is so beautiful and another great Valentine's Day color, but look at the starbursts that are on top of the dip powder here, and when I switch over my swatch, you're going to be able to see the hexagons and like the texture of the hexagons. How cool is that? Light of Faith is a soft pink shimmer dip powder. Here you can see it catch the light a little bit better. And then now we have Angels Sing. These names are great. I love them. This one I'm obsessed with, and I'm pretty sure this one's going to sell out. I love blue so much, so the blue base is something I'm obsessing with, and I love all the different colors that are just like, it reminds me kind of a Christmas tree and like the Christmas lights. Then Making Spirits Bright is like a peachy, shimmery glitter. You can see the way the light catches it is absolutely beautiful. Warm Woolen Mittens is actually my favorite color of this entire collection. I should have spent more time showing you guys the color, but I feel like it's so universal and versatile and like a year-round color. Better Watch Out is like Christmas tree dreams. It's like Christmas, holiday season, all of the Christmas lights you can think of is all mixed into this color. They're so pretty, and I love the textures and different glitters that are in this color. And then next up is Sugar Plum Fairy. This is a purple and white glitter mixture. Is it white or is it silver? It's hard to tell, but it's really, really pretty. And I think the whitish glitter kind of softens the purple a little bit. First Noel is really, really pretty. Would probably pair great with like pink and blue snowflakes if you ask me. I think it's a very pretty color. Very universal to other seasons as well, such as Easter and summertime. Next up is Reindeer Games. This is another one of my favorites, especially in like the chunky glitter realm. Like all the glitters are like pretty reasonable to work with, and I love how it looks like white snow is on top of like Christmas lights. I just love the way it looks. Thrill of Hope is a more vibrant pink. It actually pairs really well with one of the solids I showed you earlier in this video. It's really, really pretty, and I really want to test these kind of colors out with a matte top coat. Next up is Home for Christmas. This is like Flaky Dreams. If you like flaky dip powders, definitely recommend this one. So easy to use, very buttery, and the colors are very traditional with Christmas. So last up in this collection is Jingle Bell Rock. It's a gorgeous gold dip powder with gold snowflakes. I don't think I've ever seen a combination like this for Christmas. So I really love this. And to be honest, you don't even have to use the snowflakes on it if you don't want to. So it's so versatile. So here are these glitters all next to each other so you can see them. I love the versatility in this collection and how well the solids pair with the glitters as well. There's so many great combinations. So if you guys are making your shopping list, I would love to know what you guys plan on purchasing. Again, this launches on Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!